guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a makeup tutorial for you guys, and it is an extra look, which is why I'm wearing this like furry jacket, because fall is here and it's finally getting cold. That means the really dramatic eyes are back and you can get really crazy with your makeup. I always like being full glam, so I am super excited to do this tutorial. Everything that I use and talk about in this tutorial is from this month's Boxycharm box. So if you guys have never seen Boxycharm or never heard of them, it is a beauty subscription service. It is $21 a month. The box comes with 4 to 5 full-size items, so it's really cool and a great deal. So definitely check it out. And if you guys are new to my channel, hi guys, my name is Arika. I do beauty, fashion, and fitness videos. So definitely check out my videos and subscribe to my channel. Click on the subscribe button below. I feel like this look is an ultra glam holiday party makeup tutorial. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, please keep watching this video. So first we're going to actually take this. This is the Dermovia Lace Appeal Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask. So inside comes with 2 of these lace masks, and then it also comes with the black bamboo charcoal, and it says apply an even layer to peel paste to targeted areas. Avoid eye area, eyebrows, hairline, and lip. It smells like lemony limey. Alright, so that's gonna be it for me, like how much I put on. Says wear for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna take this off. I don't know what to expect, so I'm kind of like scared. It hurts a little. Yes, I do see like my pores being cleared out. Let me look in the mirror. Oh yeah, it works really well. Love it. But I do have to take the rest of my face off, so I'm actually going to use this cleanser that came in the Boxycharm. It is called the Green Clean Makeup Getaway Cleansing Balm by Farmacy. My face feels like more than clear and more than soft and more than clean, because I had that charcoal mask on that literally, I feel like, cleaned out my pores, and then I cleansed my face with this melt away cleanser. And then I'm going to be using this Pure Cosmetics Midnight Masquerade face palette. Taking this light color right here, Twilight. It's actually a highlight color. Creating a base on my lid. Then I'm going to be taking this Enchantment color. It's actually also a highlighter bronzer color. And then I'm going to fill my lid halfway up. Ooh, so pretty. I love using bronzers and highlighters as eyeshadows because I feel like they always have like the perfect warm tone as like a transition shade. So love using bronzers and highlighters. I just feel like it just looks so pretty. And if you like really want to just do like a quick beat, like literally just put on some bronzer on your eyes and you're just like good to go. Now I'm gonna actually take this Reveal color right here, which is another one of their blushes. So this side is like the blushes, but I'm using them as eyeshadows. I'm gonna take Reveal and I'm going to go over the color that I just had, but then don't go all the way up. So we're gonna try to create like a round cat smoky eye. I'm going to take this color right here. It's like a shimmery purple, and I'm going to color in the lid. Really pack on this purple color. Take a bigger brush and kind of just blend everything. Blending brush and kind of just blend everything together. And this is gonna bring we're gonna put the brown. The color that I'm taking is Sneak Peek, and I'm going to really go in my lash line. There's going to be a little bit of fallout just because like the way that I do it, I kind of like really go in. So we're gonna just take this brown in that eye, in your crease. You see how like this eye is just way smokier? Obsessed. The brown is very pigmented, which makes it easier for us to like really smoke out the eye faster. So now I have these really cute 2 brown smoky eyes. I'm going to take a little tiny bit of black. I might actually just take a tiny narrow, and I'm going to take this smoky color right here called 12 a.m. And I'm going to take the tiniest bit and just work it in that outer corner, but like inner lid. Just really like a tiny amount because we don't want it to overtake the eye. Base is like a little red from like the charcoal peel, so I'm gonna really try to like calm it down. So I have my smoky eyes on, and I'm gonna just go into the skin. I'm gonna use my favorite moisturizer ever, Tatcha Silk Cream. So now I did a little bit of my face and added a little bit of liner. I'm going to be putting on mascara on my top lashes. I'm going to be doing the bottom lashes afterwards, but I'm going to be using this IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. And I actually use this eyeliner, so I'm excited to try this mascara. So now that I put on my lashes, I'm going to be doing the bottom, smoking out the bottom of my eyes. Back into the Pure Cosmetics Midnight Masquerade palette. Take a cute brush like this. This is the Luxie Short Shader. And I'm going to take Sneak Peek. And I'm going to go in my bottom lash line and smoke out the bottom. And that's gonna connect the top with the bottom. And then I'm gonna go back into the little brush that I was using, take that shimmery black color, add a little bit more to the corners. Now that the lash is on, it doesn't really cover the eyes, it just covers a little bit. So just kind of like put it in the corner, add it in to smoke it out even more. But be very gentle because we don't want any of the black to like fall on the makeup, you know what I mean, on the skin. And then I'm gonna take a tiny brush again, and then I'm gonna take the black color again. You have to be really careful with black colors because you don't want it to like spill on your face. And for me, I'm like always kind of clumsy with my makeup, so I have to really be careful. I'm gonna go in the lower lash line at the outer edge. And then I'm gonna take the Twilight color, which is the first light color that I used, and go in the tear ducts to just kind of brighten it up. And then I'm going to go back into the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara and work the lower lashes. Then I'm going to take Twilight again and take a fan brush and highlight the cheeks. Wow, this like color is literally like universal. I can wear it like everywhere. I use it as my eyeshadow base, my tear ducts, and now my highlight. And earlier I did a little bit of bronzer. I did some contouring and then a little bit of bronzer, but I'm going to go into the palette again, take Enchanted highlighter bronzer, and I'm going to kind of go into the cheeks a little. I already have like some color on. And then I'm going to take Hidden Secret right here, which is like a peachy color. And I'm going to add a little bit into the apples of my cheeks. I'm obsessed with the smoky eye. Literally, I don't know why I don't do it every single day, but like it used to be super in, like everybody used to do a smoky eye all the time, but I literally should do one all the time. Like, it's me. It's so me. So now I'm going to do my lips. I'm going to take the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. This is the color Hawkind. Then I'm going to set my face. All done. Alright guys, so that's it for my ultra holiday party makeup tutorial. I hope you guys like it. I love the smoky eye, I love the bold lip, I love a super highlighted glam look, and I'm just loving this ponytail and like furry coat. It's just like I'm so ready for a holiday party, so I'm loving this makeup tutorial. If you guys want to check out Boxycharm, definitely click on the link below. They do have really, really awesome boxes with a lot of cute goodies, full-size items that you can use for your glam kits or your makeup kit. It is so amazing, so definitely check it out. And also, if you guys like my videos, make sure to click on the subscribe button below and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Bye guys. Mwah.
Lovers fall into my covers where they sink one by one. Yeah,
What's up guys? Heading to LAX, going to New York for New York Fashion Week. Usually I feel like I'm in the car at like 4 a.m. heading